Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be starting a new series called Real Living, and today I'll be doing an unboxing with this Gourmia citrus juicer. This is my first juicer. It's a commercial grade juicer. See? Ooh. Right now. It's made out of cast iron, so it will last you a very long time. It says that you can juice orange, grapefruit, lemon, limes, pomegranate, just to name a few. So you got the whole juice machine right here, and I guess this is the level for you to press down on it. And this is the removable piece right here. So I'm guessing it's easy for you to clean. Of course, it's super easy to clean. It's not mechanical. Electricity not needed, just your arms. So this looks like it's very simple for you to clean. And it comes with like this little piece right here and a little dot right here. I guess you line it up. Then when you turn it, you lock it into place. And the same for here, it comes with like two little buttons or bumps right here. You line it up with the little two bumps down here, holes. Then you turn it, and it does the same thing. You lock it up. Make sure it looks like it comes with some foot pads or whatever they call them. Make sure you screw them in. You don't need a screwdriver for this. And here you have it. Pretty setup, pretty finish. Okay, now that we have everything completely set up, now I have a measuring glass that goes up to 1 cup, 8 ounce. So I'll show you guys how to place it. If the cup is too big for your machine, you can always pick it up and stick it under. So now we're gonna see how many oranges it takes to make 1 cup. Just to let you know, it depends on the size of your oranges to see how many juice you could get out of it. The nice thing about doing your own juice is that you know that it's nicely fresh. You don't have to worry about no sugar, no preservative, no additive, no artificial flavoring. It's all 100% pure. And yes, you do gotta be a little bit strong. So we're on our second juice, second round, second. Make sure you get as much out as possible. It's kind of relaxing doing your own juicing, knowing that's very beneficial for you, full of vitamin C, antioxidant, you know, for those that get quick colds, make your own juice, get better faster. This is juice 3. It builds up your immune in your body. Ah, snap. I guess this will be only 3. So I guess it takes 3 oranges to make 1 cup. Imagine how many oranges it takes to make a gallon. but it depends on the size. I like to use a mason jar to store my juices. This looks so good. Now this is some good orange juice. This is some real good sweet orange juice. No sugar, no additive, no preservative, no artificial flavor, just natural. Next up is grapefruit. So before I got back here, I had cleaned and rinsed this out, and I rinsed the bottom piece out. I already pre-cut this grapefruit. So as you can see, the way that you cut it, make sure it looks like this, like for all your fruits. Make sure it looks like this before squeezing it. The grapefruit will require more work, so I'm gonna have to get up and use some muscles. Ooh. If it doesn't goes all the way down, it's okay. I always try to get as maximum juice out of each peel. Grapefruit is high in fiber, antioxidant, and it helps with weight loss. Now that's a good squeeze. That is a good squeeze. Ooh. And it also helps fight against cancer. Cancerous cells. Wait, it's this way. Make sure that you center your grapefruits. Just know you're gonna need a lot of manpower for this one, the grapefruit. But if you want natural juice, just know you gotta put in the work. Look at it. So basically, I only needed, let me see. I really just needed 1 grapefruit and a half to make 1 cup. Sometimes you can turn your grapefruit around to get as much as the juice out of it. If you want your grapefruit to be a little sweet without adding sugar, you can always add a little piece of orange. But I'll let you know how this one tastes. It's still sweet. It's still sweet. You know, it's not as bitter. Honestly, it's not as bitter though. If you can handle it, I like stuff like this. If you can handle it, you can drink it straight. But if you want it a little bit sweeter, I'll just suggest to add an orange into it, because of course orange are a little bit sweeter. And it's the same as the orange juice. It's fresh, no preservative, no artificial flavoring, no sugar. So you know you get the best in your system, and it's good and healthy for you. Now that's easy to go down with the orange. And you may have some pulp. Pulp in it is fine if you have pulp. If you don't like pulp, you can always use a strainer to remove all the pulp out. Just keep, you know, re-pouring it in the strainer to remove the pulp. If you don't like pulp, but I love pulp. Pulp makes me feel like I'm getting the real, you know, the real deal. Now we're gonna go to our next juice. We'll be making lemonade. Oh, this is good. Hey guys, we're back again. So all I did was rinse this out again, rinse the bottle, and now we're gonna make some lemonade. So for lemonade, as you can see the size of it, it doesn't take that much. Well, you're gonna have to squeeze more lemon because lemon don't have that many juice in it. With this one, you don't have to put as much pressure. Okay, never mind. You want to get all the lemons out. But you have to be careful how hard you squeeze. Yeah. Lemon are a good source of vitamin C. Protect against cancer, fight kidney stone, prevent kidney stones, control weight, or other would say cut weight, cut fat, improve digestive system. Oh, now see, that's a good lemon right there. That's a good lemon. That's two. I don't know how many lemons do you guys use in your lemonade. Let me know. For a cup of lemonade, how many lemons do you guys use? Make sure you put that in the comment for me. Comment, let me know. Now that's a lot of juice out of this lemon. So I'll be making lemonade in this mason jar. That's 3 lemons. I think 3 is enough for this jar. So I'll be using this organic raw honey. This is spring water. So we're gonna practice, you know, drinking clean with no sugar. Everything organic. Natural from Mother Earth. Oops. This honey jar right here still got the honeycomb in it. And let's see, let's fill up this jar. I think this lemonade might need 3 spoons of honey. This is my first time doing this. This organic honey is not pesticide, so it still has all its vitamins and minerals in it. So we're going to stir it all up together. It's some good honey. I mean, good lemonade. But it's gonna need some more. It's gonna need some more honey. Honestly, I can handle this taste. It might need like two more spoons. Yummy. Now that's better. Oh my god, that's so good. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And make sure you guys comment and let me know what you think about my new series. See you again.